Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, keyless start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.